Hi everyone, this is Lisa with Fufusha Dolls, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. I'm going to show you how to create a no-sew bow charm. This is a perfect accessory for your planners, agendas, and even a purse. So for supplies, you're going to need the following: a 2mm foam sheet, fabric, scissors, super tight white school glue and instant super glue, brush, pliers, chain extender, jump rings and eye pins, mini tassel, hot glue, iron, and a piece of fabric. And lastly, we'll be using Mod Podge. So let's get started. The first step is to cut a foam sheet 2 1/4 by 1 1/2. This is the size I chose for my bow, however you can make it smaller or larger. Next, you will brush on the white school glue over the foam sheet. Brush it evenly. Now place a piece of fabric over, and you will also cut a smaller strip, this will be the center bow, and place glue over it and also put a piece of fabric over. Now my fabric is completely dried and glued over the foam sheet. You will cut all the edges of the extra fabric. You'll repeat the same process with the center part of the bow. The next step is place the piece of foam over an iron board. Make sure the foam sheet is facing up and your fabric is facing down. Put an iron over it and protect it, of course, with another piece of fabric. Make sure your iron is in the cotton setting, and now when it gets nice and warm and curled up, you will pinch the center and give it the shape of the bow. Now I don't want my fabric to fray on the edges, so I decided to give it a quick coat of Mod Podge. I also did that to the center part of the bow as well. Now that all my pieces of the bow are fully dried, I'm going to place the center part of the bow and glue it with a hot glue gun. Here I prepared a mini tassel with an eye pin and a jump ring with a pair of pliers. I'm going to insert that mini tassel in the bottom part of the bow, but first you need a pair of scissors in order to create the opening for your eye pin. Now with instant super glue, place that on your eye pin and you're going to insert it in the bottom of the bow. It is a little tough, that is why you need the scissors to help you create that opening. Next, I will again use my scissors to create the top part opening to insert the chain extender. You would add instant super glue and insert the eye pin. And the charm is complete. Wasn't this easy? This is great if you have foam and fabric scraps laying around. Well, thank you for spending your time with me, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. Visit my Etsy shop too. And don't forget to give this video a like, and tell me what you think. Comment below. Also, if you're interested in any super tight glue products, visit the link below, and you can use my coupon code. It is an affiliate link. Thank you again. Until next time, and God bless.